This is a chatbot built using DCP. It distributes inferences across LLMs executing on remote worker nodes on the DCP network. We have a wide range of LLMs available, Llama, Qwen, Hermes, and more. Let's start with a Llama prompt. What is distributed computing? So that prompt was just deployed to the DCP network, and a worker node just picked it up. You'll see on this screen, it just started executing the prompt. And if we look at the chat screen, we'll see that first it has to load in before it can actually do the inference. All right, so now that the worker has started inferencing, we can see the results streaming in using the DCP console streaming API. Let's ask it maybe a follow-up question. Could you write a poem about distributed computing? We'll see this time it'll be a bit faster. Once the worker picks it up, it will immediately start responding with the stream of the poem it's writing. Let's try another model. What about Qwen 2 for math? What is 1 plus 5 divided by 7? Qwen should be able to handle this. Once the worker picks it up, it'll first have to load in the model before it can execute the inference. This one's a bit smaller. It's only 1.5 billion parameters, so it was a lot faster. Just a bit about the worker. It's executing web GPU, and it's actually running in a browser. So the worker node here is executing directly in Google Chrome. But this also works fine in command line native workers using web GPU as well. This is what the API looks like for the chatbot under the hood. It's a simplified example that just executes these prompts. We create a job using compute.for, and then we distribute it with job.exec, where we collect the results at the end. This is different than the chatbot, which would take one prompt at a time.